Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid references in geography. Grid references are a fundamental skill for reading maps, allowing you to pinpoint exact locations. We'll cover the basics of eastings and northings, which form the coordinates. Remember the simple rule: always read along the bottom, or eastings, first, then up the side, or northings. This method ensures you accurately identify any point on a map. Let's dive into eastings. These are the vertical lines on your map, running from the bottom to the top. You'll notice they are numbered sequentially from left to right, or west to east. As you move across the map to the right, these numbers will increase. Eastings essentially tell you how far east a location is from a starting point, forming the first part of your grid reference. Now let's look at northings. These are the horizontal lines that run across your map from left to right. They are numbered from the bottom to the top, or south to north. As you move upwards on the map, these numbers will get larger. Northings tell you how far north a location is from the map's base, completing the second part of your grid reference. Combining eastings and northings gives you a grid reference. A 4-figure reference identifies a 1-kilometer square. For greater precision, we use a 6-figure reference, dividing that square into 10 by 10 smaller squares. You estimate the tenths within the square for both eastings and northings. This allows you to pinpoint locations with much greater accuracy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.